Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by linking accounts so the app has live data. This avoids manual entry later. Once done, create 8 meaningful categories that match your real spending. Make sure to set a monthly budget total and the month start date. This aligns reports and alerts. You'll also choose whether to import historical transactions. Do this now so subsequent steps work with accurate, categorized data, and the app can suggest rules from day one. You'll now clean up and teach the app by confirming imported transactions and fixing any errors. Once done, create automation rules for recurring charges and merchant-based categorization so future entries categorize themselves. Make sure to split transactions when one purchase covers multiple categories and tag shared expenses for easy filtering. You should also log cash payments manually. This reduces drift in reports, keeps category totals accurate, and speeds daily tracking moving forward. Finish by reviewing the dashboard and detailed reports to see where you're over or underspending. This shows why adjustments matter. Once done, tweak category budgets or move funds between them and enable alerts for approaching limits. Export a CSV if you need offline records. If transactions aren't appearing, resync your bank connection or import a CSV. Make sure to clear the app cache and reauthorize the account. That single troubleshooting step fixes most data sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.